At least I've only got 16-gallon hawk. No, I don't have a hawk. I wish I had a hawk. If I had a pet hawk and he could fly with me when I was riding, and then like I'd come to lights, I'd like filter to the front at lights, and cars would be like honking at me, and this giant like hawk would come and land on my shoulders and spread his wings to his full wingspan and just look over and glare at him and just ah, like eagle cry at him, and they'd be like ah, and he'd crap on their windshields when I told him to. It would be awesome. Someone's tailgating me, I like give some kind of hand signal, and my eagle comes over and like craps on their windshields. It would be so awesome. Wow, Lori, what was I originally going with that? Oh yeah, I just filled up with gas. So I've only got, you know, like 17 miles on this tank, and I can go, when I'm riding real easy like this, almost 140 miles to a gallon, or to a tank, which is 2 gallons. Because I'm getting close to 70 miles to the gallon because I'm not going over 55. And this bike does better in town than it does on the highway because it's such a small bike. And so I'm just rambling about nothing. This is stupid. And then I brushed my teeth and I made a bagel. And then I realized I should have had the bagel first. Like, seriously. Ah! Whee! It'd probably be a lot more fun at 52 instead of 42, but whatevs. My mom watches my vlogs too, which is part of the hey! Hey! Minivan! Random house! This road is fun. This is pretty much the perfect bike for this road. Agile, maneuverable, awesome gas mileage, agile, great suspension, and agile, and lightweight, and great gas mileage. Okay, Laura, you're having another Rain Man moment. You need to stop. It's pretty much a wannabe interstate. And that makes me sad. I wish I could take roads like this all the way. Look at this. There's nobody around. Nobody behind me. Nobody in front of me. Really kind of dangerous to do alone. As a girl, I have a baton with me. One of those, you know, like the police use. You fling them and then they extend, and then you beat people with them. I'm talking about beating people. Yeah.